Welcome to Science in the Apocalypse, where we look at modern science and apply it to post-apocalyptic scenarios. My name's Rob, and this is Doug.
We're both sort of doomsday preppers, but instead of stockpiling supplies, we've been stockpiling knowledge. Today, we're going to go over forced entry and lockpicking.
Yeah, it's part of a new mini-series that we're calling the Rogue Project.
Rogue Project.
We're outlining the skills that a rogue might have, and teaching and learning ourselves how to do it.
One of the most fundamental properties, right here.
We'll have a special giveaway at the end.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. This is Science in the Apocalypse. Okay, so in line with our rogue model, we're going to be targeting skills that you do on your own, don't require a team, that you can get out there, get what you need, and survive. So we're just using the rogue model as a jumping off point to inspire us to come up with things to talk about and learn. So that's what led us to lockpicking. I mean, it's the most rogue-like thing I could come up with. I think it's awesome. So, why don't you tell them about the tools we have?
Yeah, we'll take a look at that. So we've got our rakes here, we've got our picks here, and of course our tension wrenches. And these go in the channel, you apply tension, pop the pins with a rake or a pick, and you're good to go. Easy as that.
We'll show you more of that a little bit later.
We've also got a nifty little pick gun, quite loud, not incognito at all. And for scavengeable materials, bobby pins are everywhere. You can find them all over the place. They're also really good for holding up your hair.
It is quite difficult to pick a lock with these, though, but we will demonstrate how to do it.
And if all else fails, we always have our brute force method.
And that we haven't even tried. We don't know if it's going to work either. Never cut a bolt.
Haven't done it.
So we'll figure that out.
So, this video.
Very important.
Very important. Pay attention. Venn diagram. Science in the apocalypse. Shenanigans. The space in the middle. No nonsense.
Nothing.
No shenanigans this video.
Very serious stuff. So, I mean, rogues are serious. All right, let's get a quick pick on this.
Show us how it works. Yeah,
it's already. Oh, it's already open. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna apply slight tension clockwise, and I'm just gonna pull the trigger a few times in here and see if I can get lucky. Oh man, it's biting me. Okay, sorry for that overreaction. I opened it. Okay. Ooh. All right. What's next? All right, I'm going to go ahead and put a rake in here and push these pins up high so you can see the shear lines.
What are the shear lines?
Well, it's the break point where the cylinder turns. So you can see it's each cylinder has two pins. And we have to line up to the middle of it, to where they break in half, evenly across the cylinder, and then the cylinder will turn. Watch here.
Nice.
And boom, the lock's open. All right, and here's the pick gun. It's very loud.
So loud.
Wow. And they're lined up. Boom. Close this back up.
Single pin picking now.
Yeah. So I'm trying to manipulate each pin individually, get them lined up to that shear line.
Looks like we're having some trouble on the fourth pin.
Yeah, it's a little underset. Everything's almost lined up. And there it is. Come on. Almost. There it goes.
So we've given you a demonstration on how the pins work in a lock. Rob here is going to try and pick a master lock. Master lock.
Yeah, good old number 5.
We're going to time it to show you exactly how long it'll take. Well, how long it'll take him at least.
I'm not a very good lockpick, but I'll get it eventually.
Yeah. So.
We're not gonna make you watch the whole thing. We'll time lapse it.
Yeah, it'll be good.
All right, let's start the clock.
All right.
And while I'm doing this, Doug is going to be fashioning some bobby pin lockpicks right here next to me. So you can watch him do that while you watch me try and break this lock.
Give me that lighter. Fire is always a good tool.
After I break into this, Doug is going to break into this strong box, which I've taken the liberty of locking, hiding something in there for Doug as a prize. He doesn't know what yet. Let's get started.
I haven't even touched the
Ooh, I've already burned 25 seconds. I'm gonna reset.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
All right. Again, because I don't have a lot of lockpicking skill, I'm gonna be using a rake. So, and this is just wiggling around and trying to get lucky while applying tension. So here goes. Oh.
God. I didn't even get my lockpicks made.
Why do they call them master locks?
Apparently, because you can't.
He's joking. Oh, he thinks he's good at what he does. He's not.
A smug face.
Oh, poor baby. He's open. All right, well that's done. Now what?
Well,
I thought that was gonna take a while.
yeah, I know. I was prepared for it to take a minute, so I got my pliers out and everything.
I guess I'll just wait. I'm just gonna go into this void right here.
I can
Doing okay?
Yeah, that'll do it.
45 seconds. I'm the best.
I'm saying.
Maybe I am a rogue.
Okay, so Rob got pretty lucky and got his lock open. I finished making my tools here. I've got a little, they look quite similar, but they're very different in function. This one's gonna be my torsion wrench. Torsion wrench?
Oh,
Same thing. This is gonna be my pick. It's got a more aggressive bend to it than this one. This one's just so I can get a good grab on the lock while I turn. So, this is a box that Rob has put something in for me. And I haven't touched it until, well, now really. And I'm kind of worried about what's in it. And he seems excited.
It's not a trap.
So we're just gonna...
Oh, let me start the timer.
Oh. Are you sure I'm going the right way?
Here, let me see. Yeah, I did tell you to pick it the wrong way. I did tell you to pick it the wrong way.
Alright.
It needs to be picked clockwise. Use real tools. Should I stop and reset? Yeah, let's reset.
I'm gonna use my bobby pin tools to show that it can be done the right way.
Alright.
I'm gonna borrow this. Can I borrow this?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, 7-minute mark. We are switching over to traditional lock picks. We're switching over to real tools. Can you start a timer? Let's see how long
My
it takes.
phone.
Oh, he did?
He did.
Oh, alright. Just count in your brain.
YouTube has a video timer at the bottom. Time me with that.
Let's try and get it in under 8 minutes. Okay.
Dude, there's one pin that's stuck. I can't get it. Oh my god. This is really embarrassing.
So you're probably torquing it too hard.
Yeah.
So I'm doing this left-handed. There you go, buddy.
Should I open it facing up?
Yeah, no, it's just for you. What's in there? Show what it says.
You. Give me that box.
It's a good looking scroll, dude. I put gels in it.
Yeah, it's great.
Sewed and yeah, this is good.
It's great, Rob. Thanks.
I think you'll get it eventually.
Yeah, maybe. Tomorrow?
Did you just do it?
No.
Oh, you're trying to lock it. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
It's probably a little loud on the audio. Did you do it with the bobby
Yeah,
pins?
I did.
It's good. This is for you to keep. Yeah. To remind you how I feel.
Right in my pocket.
God. Okay, so
Got a little heated.
now let's make a pick.
Let's do it. Yeah, no, I picked it.
You pick it. All right, so we're gonna make a pick. So I've taken a little bit of windshield wiper insert. I docked it with this, but you can use any kind of wire cutters to put like a nice hard kink in it, and then you can bend it till it snaps. Easy peasy. So that's done. And then you can use the same material to make tension wrenches simply by doing the same thing and then bending it. That's it. Done. So these are really easy to acquire.
Super simple.
Really easy to acquire, even in an apocalyptic scenario.
On every car that's not being used. Every single car.
Which is going to be a lot of them.
All of them. Yeah.
So we've got easy to acquire material. Here's the hard part to get. You're not going to find these very easily.
And you're not going to have electricity to power them.
But what you can find are files.
Hand files.
And this can be done just a lot slower. So, but we're going to do it with this.
Damn it, Kevin.
Inside joke, don't worry. All right, let's, without further ado, I've got the pattern traced on that I want to cut, and I'm just going to start. This is the approximate shape I'm going for. I'm getting closer. As we get in deeper, we're going to have to get more and more precise in our tools. But I can take a lot more material off the off of here. So I'm going to keep digging. Not exactly a match to what we started with, but I think I can open a lock with that. Should I give it a shot?
Give it a shot.
All right, let's try this. It's getting away from me. There it is. All right, so functional pick. I have some larger gauge that we can add as a handle. It'll give it a nice weight to it. Perfect. Good. There you go. And I'm back. All right, so what we're gonna do is put these guys side by side, one on each side of our pick.
Like a little pick sandwich.
Yep.
Bottom to back, top to front.
And then we're gonna add our shrink tubing around it. Burning myself for you guys. We have a completed makeshift pick.
Ceremonious.
Cool. All right, we should have this full in about 2 weeks. That's when we'll give it away. All right, we had a lot of fun today. We did all kinds of weird lock picking, and you know.
It was just one type of lock picking.
We used a pick gun.
I mean, so.
We showed you how a lock works. We made a pick. I actually made our first tension tool for the kit for our giveaway. So how do I give this away?
Easiest way to give it away. Give it away. Now, we're going to give it away.
I gotta give it to your mama.
All you have to do is be subscribed. Drop a comment on this video in particular.
This one. Not the future ones. We're going to reference you back to this one.
Exactly. And when we hit 200 subscribers, by that point, this should be full of picks and wrenches and everything. And we're going to mail it to you.
Wherever you live.
One lucky
if you
commenter.
feel comfortable telling us where you live.
Yeah. We won't break into your house. Well, no shenanigans!
Our no nonsense board.
No nonsense.
The no nonsense zone. This is where we're living. And here. But also here.
Anyways, I think that about wraps up this one.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah! Did we get it?
Yes!
This is Science of the Apocalypse.
Like and subscribe.